Hello everyone, welcome to the Nomadic Jamaican. Today we're making fried rice. The ingredients that you'll see here are salt, soy sauce, fish sauce, and sugar. I'm using brown rice, but you can use white rice if you want. I'm also going to add spinach, egg, which I have mixed with soy sauce, and of course you can see the rice. First though, I'm going to fry the egg, which is scrambled, and you're going to fry that lightly, and then you'll set that aside, roll it up, and then cut it in chiffonades. After which, okay, so let's look at the egg frying. Look at that beautiful egg in the plate. Next, I saute some bacon, onions, and scotch bonnet pepper, but you can do whatever you want. This is what I made for my lunch. After those were sauteed for a little, I added the spinach. Then I added the rice. And finally, I added the chiffonade egg. Those were sauteed for a bit or fried. And after which, I added the soy sauce, sugar, and fish sauce. The fish sauce is optional. I decided to use that because I do like fish sauce and I wanted to try it in my fried rice. You're going to fry those together for a while, and well, you know how fried rice it's frying. So just feast your eyes upon this. Listen to the sizzle. So the next thing I did was to fry an egg. Sunny side up is great. I do not like sunny side up, so I opted to fry it all the way through. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry it's so quick. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please continue to look at this fried rice. I'm glad you guys were able to visit. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Bye. Have a great day.